For those of you that say mouth breathing doesn't affect your jawline, how do you explain this? Or this? Now I know taping your mouth completely for the first time can be scary, so you don't have to take that leap just yet. Instead, consider starting off with these. These mouth tapes have a small hole in the center, which makes this a great beginner mouth tape. It still promotes nasal breathing, better sleep, and less snoring. Instead of letting your mouth hang wide open, which gives you dry mouth and impacts to your jawline, start off with this, see how it feels, and then move on to tapes that are fully covered. Trust me, you'll still notice the benefits with this immediately. Just take a look at the reviews under this product. These have been selling out pretty fast, so make sure to grab a pack at the link below.